Hi all, today I'm going to attempt to pick this lock. It comes with the Ruger firearms safety lock. It is a Regal number 5035A. It's kind of a weird one to pick. I'm not sure, because again I haven't disassembled it, but it's got the cover over the keyway. And I don't know if as you're picking it, it's twisting your pick or there's security pins, because it doesn't act like it's security pins, but it does. Like it'll give you counter rotation, but it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So I'm going to attempt to pick this one tonight. Back. Nothing there. See, like right there, felt like it. And then they just opened that easy. Let me try it again, because this thing usually gives me fits, and it starts doing weird things, like you'll start getting counter rotation on pins, and it's just odd. I'll start at the back again. Nothing. Nothing. I gotta click there. Click there. Okay, start with the back again. Getting nothing. Sorry, gotta click at the front this time. See, it's like right there, it's acting like there's counter rotation. I don't even know if that's even picking up on the camera. And I don't know if it's actually a security pin or if it's this cover binding as I'm trying to put tension on the pins. So then this goes to show you, like, now this time, I'm not getting anything out of this lock. It's just very weird. I mean, I've heard that cheap Chinese locks tend to have enough slop that they can end up being a little bit more difficult. But like I said, it's like the lock is so inconsistent that, I mean, I might just end up having to gut it just to see what's actually in this, because so I'm not getting any feedback on anything right now. And like before, it was like hit one pin and it popped open. So needless to say, I definitely wouldn't trust this lock to lock up one of my firearms. I actually got a little something off that one. Let's go back to the back. And it just keeps clicking back on that front one. Back. Like that. I mean, I just could see how much play there is in everything. That's all I'm going to do for tonight. Like I said, and the same thing is Look at the keys. I mean, there's nothing even interesting about the keys, but I'm just assuming there's just so much slop in the core that just makes, and again, like same thing, you see you tension it, and it ends up blocking the keyway when you go to tension it. So it's probably just a garbage lock, but I figured I'd just share it with you all tonight. Thanks for watching.